Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set or how to create an alarm in this device. Simply go to and open the application clock, tap on this one. So at the bottom tab you can see some options, and from here to create a new alarm, tap on the option alarm. So to create a new alarm, tap on the plus icon on the top right side. So here we can set the time. Okay, so if you want to do any customization, you can do all the customization here. So if you want to enable the alarm for every day, then you can select the days here. And if you want to set the alarm name also, so in here you can change the alarm sound. And if you want to feel the vibration when the alarm ringing, then you can turn on this option. And this is for the snooze. You can see this much of snooze is here. If don't want the snooze alarm, then turn off this option. Okay, so this is for the background, alarm background. So now you can see the time is 10:15. So here I am, so first of all I am going to change the alarm sound. Tap on this one and tap on the option ringtone. Now you can see this is the alarm sound. So here I am going to change. Yeah, this one. Now go back. So now it's 10:16. Now I am going to change the time to 10:17 p.m. Tap on save. You can see alarm set for 1 minute from now. Now just wait for a few seconds. The alarm will ring. Yeah, you can see the alarm is ringing. You can make the snooze, otherwise you can dismiss this alarm. So here I am going to dismiss this one. Tap on dismiss. Okay, so if you want to delete the created alarm, just tap and hold the alarm. Now at the bottom tab you can see the option delete. Tap on this one. So simply in this way you can create an alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.